Bee rising every day. What's going on, beautiful bees? I hope you're doing fabulous. It's been a while, been a minute, and I just wanted to share with you my smoothie that I make quite often for my bike rides. Sometimes I'll have it before, sometimes I'll have it after, but I usually have it almost every day. You guys see a lot of my videos. I'm always trying to get out into nature, get in the trees, get in that fresh oxygen. That also helps to alkalize the body. And so it also helps to clear your mind too. So if you're having, say, a bad day, a low day, try to get out in nature. You can read my shirt here. Take a hike. Take a hike in nature, and that's going to help release endorphins. So that's what exercise does. So that feel good response, that feel good energy. So if you're having like a low day, you're not feeling too good, try to get out in nature, go for a walk, and really just try to breathe deeply and let everything out. Just take a deep breath and let it out. And let me know down below. You're gonna feel so much better just going for that walk, just letting it all out. And then when you top that with the nutrition, with the food that you're bringing in, that energy is just gonna keep rising. And that's what it's all about here on Be Rising. So I just want to share with you my smoothie, and we're gonna go for a bike ride and get in some fun. Also super important to get in some fun, to just enjoy yourself and be around healthy, positive people. Gonna help you immensely. Let's get into the smoothie and then we'll go in the trails. So you guys, what I got here, the usual, we got the greens. Zoom in there. We got the greens, so there's quite a bit of mixed greens in here. I have some coconut yogurt. There's no sugar in there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a ripe banana. Now, bananas are awesome for getting in the calories as well as the fiber, potassium, really, really good for, cleansing out your bowels. We got the powerful antioxidants right there. Lots of flavonoids as well in the berries. So we have wild berries, strawberries, and we also have over here, another thing, I love starting right first thing in the morning. I have my herbal tea, and then I'll usually throw back a few apples. Just a nice way to hydrate and get in that fiber. It's just a good energy source as well. So I eat these usually first thing in the morning. And then also what I put in my smoothie. So we have the greens, we got the coconut yogurt, and then I also have just a mix of powders here. So this is, my protein here. So we have the hemp, high in iron. We have pea protein as well as chlorella. So chlorella is really good at binding to heavy metals and taking it out of the body. I have some amla berry powder as well, so that's always good, high iron, good, also high in vitamin C. So that's what you want right now too, to keep your immune system high, keep your immune system functioning properly. And then I'll throw in some raw almond butter, and I'll add in some water. So I'll do about half water. Sometimes I'll do a little bit of mango juice, but right now we're just gonna do water, and then I blend that up. So that's been my smoothie lately. Really been enjoying that. Also, what is great, you guys, is we got these cantaloupes from the farmer's market. So this is also a really good way to start my day with fruit. Super hydrating, full of fiber, vitamins, minerals, hydration. So usually start with one of these, and I go with fruits that are in season. And that's just a beautiful way to start my day. Back here I got some granola that I made. So that's really good for smoothie bowls. Alrighty, here is the smoothie, you guys. So I'm going to drink this up, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. It is beautiful right now, going through the trails. It's perfect weather, and I hope you get a chance to get out, get some time in nature, and eat some healthy foods. When you do that, we'll all be rising.